It's from Nana and Pop Pop. Ooh, what's this? Look how handsome you're gonna be in here.
Cute clothes.
You like black clothes? You smile for
Look at
Mama.
you.
Look at the cute little photo.
Oh, cute church clothes. Oh, on to the next.
On to the next one. Clothes, I don't care. Sorry, Nana.
Mommy likes the clothes. I think the clothes are cute.
What's this one? I know, more aching clothes. Oh, look at that.
Oh, that's cute.
Number 36, Jerome Bettis' number, the bus.
You gonna put it on your head? You can put it on your head.
Yeah. What's this one? I know you're gonna like this one. You gonna help Daddy rip? Right, going over ripping.
What?
What's
Yeah.
this? Watch this.
What is it? Oh, it's Jesus.
What's that?
Mason, what is that?
They're gonna dance. Bah. Okay. What's this big one? Help Daddy rip. Gonna help Daddy rip.
What is that?
A different kind.
We got 2 kinds of basketballs. You better be tall, boy. You're gonna play basketball when you grow up.
Look at that.
Gonna be a basketball player.
What do you got there?
Where you
A
going
box
with
of
it?
Where you going? Come back. We got 2 more. We
That's
got
a
2
fun
more.
one.
This one guy is excited for. What do we have here?
Oh my.
It's Santa Claus, it's Nicholas.
You played with this with Auntie Kim's.
Yeah. Ball. Can you say ball?
Those are fun, huh?
Look. Wait, one more, and then we'll let you play. One more.
One more gift.
Where you going? Oh, so many toys.
He's like, you're not letting me
So
play with
much
any of this
concentration.
stuff. Look at all this stuff.
'Twas the night before Christmas. Look.
The Night Before Christmas, a gift for Mason, read to you by Nana and Pop Pop for Christmas 2009. Twas the night before Christmas when all through the house
His Nana's in there.
God was hung by the chimney with care, in hopes that St. Nicholas soon would be there. The children were nestled all snug
That's
in
the
their
cutest
beds,
thing
while
ever.
dishes of sugar plums danced in their heads. And Mama and Perchie, I and my cat, had just settled down for a long winter's nap.
Let's see if we can skip ahead and find Santa.
He sprang to his sleigh, took his team gave a whistle, and away they all flew like the down of a thistle. But I heard him exclaim as he drove out of sight,
Merry Christmas to all, and to all a good night.
Oh.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas, Mason.
Oh,
That's like the sweetest thing ever. I love it.
Okay, thank you, Pop-Up. Thank you, Nana.
Mommy's gonna get all misty-eyed over here.
Merry Christmas!